Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche, and I'm back at the shop after some much needed saltwater therapy. I went out there, me and my son got to do some fishing and tearing it up and meet with a bunch of locals and share some knowledge. And you know, they got to see a pretty big shark landed. A lot of them never even seen a shark in their life, so it was pretty awesome. So now that we're back in the shop, we have been doing a lot of work. I got a lot of boxes to open up, got the drawings going on, and then also too, this is something that we've actually been working on for quite a while, and it was with Jac'd Leatherworks. You've seen some of their deals where they've done my wallet, they've done my case for my big knife for when I go drum fishing and stuff like that. But there was something else that we really wanted, and it was something that's not even available on the market for our reel, and it was for the T-Rex 130, and that was a reel cover. So with that in mind, yeah, I wish I had one of them like deals to do it and stuff.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call the whole team.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Yes. So that is it right there. Now, as you can see, the chartreuse line in there is the 100-pound or 130. 200. It's the 200-pound Cortland braid that he actually used for the stitching on this thing. And yes, this thing is magnificent. I love how he's got his stamps in there too, and they're actually right there as well if you didn't see them just a second ago. Right up in there. Leather.
You dork.
Kind of hard when it's not on the rod, but it's, there you go. Let's pull that. There you go. All the weight of the reels kept locking it in and stuff like that. So let me put this down. Oh, so yes, this thing is phenomenal, guys. I love it because as it seats in the rod holder like that as we're driving down, yeah, buddy, you can see it all the way around. So what he's done, he's got some nice felt in here. And we got Jac'd Leatherworks in the house, so I let him do a little bit more of describing on what he's done here because I'm not a leather guy. I'm just an admirer. I love it. So this is Jacob of Jac'd Leatherworks. So y'all seen it multiple times and stuff like that. If y'all haven't, check out his Facebook on Jac'd Leatherworks right there. And also too, I'll have his number posted up now so y'all can check that out. But yeah, give me a heads up on what you did here. This is awesome.
Well, it's all made out of Herman oak leather, which is I guess what you want to call the Cadillac of leathers. Well, that's what I call it anyways. Like you said before, sewn together with the Cortland fishing line, 200-pound. Lined it with a sheep shearling that they actually use on saddles. So this is part that you would see underneath the saddles.
So yeah.
So
nice.
yeah, it'll wear out eventually, but it take quite a while to wear out. So they use it last 10, 15 years on a horse. So
this will last forever on that. Yeah.
So,
wow.
But yeah, we all use the Angels plates and the 5-inch Pro die is what you see on here.
Very nice.
So,
that is nice. Yeah, so if y'all are interested, I'm going to post up a few more pictures of what he has done. He's done all kinds of things, wallets, knife holders. He also donated the pancake one that we had given away a while back and stuff like that. So again, guys, if y'all want to check it out, some serious leather work. Yeah, you just got to have an imagination of what you want, and he can create it for y'all. So be sure to check him out, let him know we sent you. And yeah, buddy, that's right on point. Yeah, boy. Nice. I need to get on that tip first.
Here, is that better?
Mm-hmm.
Lovely.
Just pieces together so nice. So when y'all come into the shop, y'all will be seeing this hanging up for a little bit until I go fishing with it, which will be hopefully very soon because it is Father's Day is coming up weekend. So I got to make another grandoscope. So now it's getting to doing all those unboxings. So stay tuned, guys. It's coming. Oh yeah, that is insane. It's insane. It's insane.